Greetings! Welcome back to my channel, Exploding with the Queen Bee. Hey! Hola. Good afternoon, good evening, good night. How y'all doing on this beautiful Wednesday afternoon? So, I'm having a mukbang today. I'm going to be doing a mukbang today. I'm going to pray. And then I'm going to do a thumbnail. And we're gonna talk. And then we're going to eat. How about that? Lord, Yahweh, the Most High God, in the name of Jesus Christ, I pray that you will bless this food. Purify, sanctify, and nourish to my body. Bless people around the world don't have food, clothes, shelter, job, or place to lay their head. And I pray that you will bless them too. And I ask this in Jesus Christ's name. Amen. So today, I cooked some fish. I'm going to do a thumbnail. And I got some fries. And I can eat that and I already prayed. And I got some broccoli and cheese. How about that? And I got my lemon and lime, some water. And I know y'all that, hey, it's in the afternoon. But how many of y'all still like y'all coffee still in the afternoon? I know I do. I got me some coffee here. And I was trying to hurry up before it get cold. I don't like cold coffee. I don't like too hot coffee. And I don't like lukewarm coffee. It got to be hot or cold. And it's just right. So, how y'all doing today on this beautiful Wednesday? I hope y'all having a blessed day. Hey, I cooked some buffalo fish, some fries, and it smells so good. And y'all, this is some of that. This ain't no processed buffalo fish. This is that you know them live fish, they cut them up for you. Yeah. So I'm going to eat. Got me some hot sauce here. I didn't do no slaw. I got some ketchup. I know last time I had did some fish, I had made some slaw, but I forgot to get it. But that's okay. That's okay too. And I got this broccoli on the side here for, you know, vegetable. You know, you have to have your vegetable. I was trying to hurry before it get cold too. I don't like my food too cold. Y'all, you don't have to have no whole lot of food to have a mukbang. Because I'm not going to eat all this here. Today is Wednesday. I'll be eating on this here tomorrow and Friday. It'll be gone Friday. Because I love fish. I can eat fish every day. So, I'm not going to fix all that food like that for no mukbang. You don't need all that. I mean, do what you like, okay? I'm going to eat a little bit, then I'm going to talk. Coffee really good. I got coffee, water, and my favorite ginger ale dry, Canada Dry. I probably won't even drink that. I got coffee and water. That's a lot of liquid, huh? Mm-hmm. Dive in this fish. That's good too. And it's still warm. It's not real hot, but it's still warm. I see them bones here too. You have to watch out for them bones. If you're gonna eat some buffalo fish, you have to be careful. I love buffalo fish. Look at that, y'all. It looks so good. It's good too. This is my my dinner and my breakfast. My breakfast and dinner. Also, I won't eat nothing else today. Actually, I don't eat but one time a day anyway, y'all. And I don't do no whole lot of snacking. No whole lot unhealthy snacking. Yes, it's hot today. Actually been hot all week, almost all week long. They said it was a dangerous heat wave coming. They sure were right about that. Because I got on up this morning, all lit out the fire, and around 6 o'clock, I went out there and watered the garden. It was so hot out there, y'all. When I came back in, I was what you call it? Bobbleated. Ooh, Lord, it was hot out there. Early. It was hot. It was. I was sweating like a Hebrew slave with 5 backpacks on the back. What the D always say, he couldn't been a person that worked in the field. He said he couldn't do that. I don't know. You had to do what you had to do. Just like today. In the time we live. You gotta do what you got to do. Yes, you do. Being lazy, it's not gonna get you anywhere but in poverty. You got to do something. You got to do something. With all that being said, let me just y'all eat slow anyway. Must be he out eat me. I still be eating. He been an 8 and looking like you still eat. I always have a very slow. I really have. Always. I know what you were laughing about. I was laughing about. I'm gonna come back to what I was talking about. I was laughing about when I was in school. My brother and I used to eat real slow. Well, actually, don't tell nobody, y'all. I was so shy in school. Don't tell nobody. I wouldn't even eat my food. He said, Queen Bee, who ate your food? Don't tell nobody. My brother. He ate my food. Because I was too shy to eat, y'all. Y'all, I was so shy, it was unreal. As I began to grow up and get older, I'm still shy. Trust me, I am. But not like I used to be. I tell you, my brother, he used to eat my food up. He was like, well, I guess she don't eat it. I eat it for her. But back to what I was saying. Excuse me. I like to give thanks, truly, to all of my subscribers. I have 109 subscribers now. And I want to thank each and every one of you for your beautiful comments, being so respectful. Thank you for watching my videos, viewing my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you. I mean, I don't know if you share my videos or not, but if you do or don't, thank you anyway. And I want to thank Debbie. Her name is Debbie. And she came through Bible study. I don't know her name, but I know her name's not Bible study. I know that. But I want to thank Debbie for watching my last video that I did and how she commented on it. Beautiful comment. A beautiful soul. And also to that's not her name, y'all. Bible study, that's not her name. That's I think that's her channel name. That what she go under. That what she go under. Bible study. And I think Debbie put her name there I can't remember it. I can't remember her name. But the next time that the Lord will that I do a video, I will announce her real name, the name that she go under, the name that as she present herself, you know. That she want people, you know, whoever to know that name. That's what I'm trying to say. But yeah, I want to thank Cindy B from Connection Rejection. I want to thank her for all her beautiful comments, for viewing my channel. And not only them, y'all, I don't want to just be calling names out and y'all be like, oh, she just calling their name. No. It's not like that at all. I love each and every one of you. And each and every one of you is special. Okay? So I don't want to be just throwing names out there. All of y'all are special. And I love each and every one of y'all, like I said. But Debbie, she came to my channel through Bible study. And like I said, it's not her name, just like my name is not exploring together. I mean, you know, I call Queen B. You know what I mean? So yeah, thanks to each and every one of you. So much. To my new subscribers. Thank you so very much. I appreciate you so much. Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. And hope to see more of y'all videos. I did go and check out some of Debbie videos, and I did check out some of Bible study videos. But y'all, I glanced through because it takes time. It takes time to just watch your video, even just strolling through them. It still takes time. So I do give you a thumbs up now. I do that. If I don't leave comments, I will give you a thumbs up. But y'all, it's so I be so busy, and this day and time, it's so much going on that, you know, you trying to get your house in order, get prepared, you know, because we don't know what's coming. We don't know what the day holds right now, a second or a minute. We don't know what it holds, but you know, we try to get our house in order to get ready to face whatever that's going to come our way. And the best way to do that is stay prayerful. That's the most important thing, to stay prayerful. And work. Work without faith is dead. You got to, even though you can pray all day long, but you got to do some work. You got to do some work. You know, about this food, yes, we purchased this food, but it's not going to get cooked unless I go and go and cook it. And that's like anything else. Your house won't get clean unless you physically actively go and clean it up. Money ain't going to fall out the sky. Food ain't going to rain down. It's just not going to do that. Not saying God can't do that. He can do anything but fail. But he had already put everything in place for us. For us. If you don't work, you don't eat. We can't be lazy. We got to work. Gotta have money to pay our bills. It's not gonna fall out the sky. It's not gonna do that. You got to work. We can't be late. Sometimes I don't feel like cleaning up, washing, doing no video. Sometimes I just feel like just sitting down. But by me sitting down, nothing's going to get done. So I got to push myself to be like, I got to do this. And then when you push yourself and get on up and do it, you'll start feeling a little better. Then you probably mop. Then next thing you don't know, you're dusting. Then next thing you know, you're washing. Then next thing you know, you're cooking. And so on and on and on and on. But God has already gave us all the tools that we need to do the things that we need to get done. You need some strength? Lord, give me some strength to do what I need to do. You know, because we're living in a terrible time, y'all. Listen here. I'm not saying, that, you know, bad news, warning, bad news, warning, bad news, warning. I'm not saying that. I'm not talking about bad news. We already know about bad news. Everything, when you turn on the news, bad news. Step out the door, bad news. Bad news in your neighborhood. Bad news right here in your community. Bad news all around you. I'm not bringing bad news. The joy of the Lord is our strength. That's not going to help about broadcasting bad news. Yeah, we need to know what's going on around the world. Now, we don't want to be ignorant to the fact that, you know, we living up on the rock, got our head in sand. We need to know what's going on in the world now. We'll keep it real. We got to know, so we'll know how to move. You know, move in silence. We got to know how to move, y'all. So, things not going to get done if you don't physically get up and do it. My mother always told me, early birds get the worm. She is absolutely right. I didn't understand then, but by and by you'll understand. And definitely, I understand today exactly what she means. If you don't understand, you keep living if the Lord allow you to live. And you're going to see what you're going to see around you, and you're going to understand where I'm coming from. But I didn't intend to talk on that subject. I really didn't have a subject to talk on. But you can always find positive things to talk about. Always, always can find positive things to talk about. So, it's good when you go to the store, buy some extra if you got some money. Buy something extra. But like I'm not telling you what to do, because people be like, don't be telling me what, I'm not telling you what to do. Like I always say in my video, do what you like. I am so serious. Do what you like. Do what's best for you and your family. But it's always good. I'm just making a statement. It's always good when you go to the store, if you have extra money, buy some extra food to put in your pantry. Now, yes, I glanced through and I watched homesteads. I watched them. Some of them, I glanced through there, and I pay attention to what they're saying. Now, listen here. Now, when I was growing up, my mother, my father, they always bought extra food. Extra food. We had plenty of extra food all the time. You should always have extra something. You know, you got butter. You should always have an extra pack of butter. You got flour. You should always have an extra pack of extra bag of flour. If you can goods, you should always have an extra can somewhere, because you just never know what's gonna happen. You never know that you might not be able to go to the store, leave the house, because we don't know what's going on, what's happening. But it's good to listen. You'll learn a lot from listening than always running this in the front of your face. It's good to listen, and it's good to pay attention. Because when you listen, you'll learn some. You'll learn some. And when you pay attention, you won't run into a whole lot of danger. You pay attention to what's going on around you, your surroundings. You know, you'll know if somebody up to no good. You know what I mean? But y'all, I didn't have a subject to talk on, but we go to the store, be careful, pay attention. You know, people shooting and killing more than ever now. So when you go to the store, pay attention. People carjacking and all that type of stuff, road racing, pay attention. When you're driving, even when you're walking, pay attention. Because people will run over you and keep on going. Like you ain't nothing. They will run over you like you nothing and keep going. You know, if they do a hit and run, you know you don't even stand a chance. You nothing. So, y'all, pay attention. What's going on around you? Around your home. Pay attention to your children. You know, see what they up to, what's going on with them. Yeah. But that's good, that lemon, lime and water. It's good and it's good for you too. But y'all start talking about something and stop eating. But I had to put that out there, you know, give thanks to my subscriber. And y'all, share my video, any and everyone. If they don't want to watch it, I appreciate you anyway. Don't forget, y'all, subscribe, like, comment, view my channel, share my videos, share. And when you subscribe to my channel, when I do a video, it'll automatic let you know that I upload a video. But I don't want this video very, very long. I'm gonna probably finish this off my video, cause I don't sit here and ran my mouth. You know what I mean, y'all? And I bet it's cold. And if it's cold, I'm not finna eat it. It got cold. So I'm gonna warm it back up. I'm gonna eat it off video. I'm not gonna hold y'all. But I want y'all to enjoy the rest of y'all day. And I'm gonna be back. I don't know. Tomorrow, Friday, weekend with another video. But if the Lord's will, I know I'll be back next week with one. I'm not saying that I'm not gonna do now. Tomorrow or Friday or Saturday, Sunday. I don't know. I'm just saying I don't know. And y'all, before I forget, I had a piece of pie here. A piece of sweet potato pie that I was gonna eat for my dessert. But since I done ran my mouth, I got some sweet potato pie here. And then I also had some that good old extra creamy dry whipped cream to go on top of this. And I'll probably just do that and just taste it. And y'all probably want to go and try this here. This is Jo Bell's sweet potato pie. That's Joyebells sweet potato pie. And I purchased this at Walmart. And y'all, it is delicious. Now, I didn't cook this here. I purchased, like I said, at Walmart, but I cooked everything else. But this is the next best thing to me. Because let me tell you something, y'all. I am very picky and ticky about my food. Because I've been cooking ever since I was like, wow, I've been cooking a long time. I've been cooking ever since I was about 8 or 9 years old. Yeah, something like that. But I really started cooking when I was probably about 10, 11. But I've been cooking, like I said, for a long, long time. And I always cook my own food. I'm very seldom just go out and just buy some food, you know, from restaurants or whatever. You know, me and Mr. D, we just don't go out to restaurants and eat. I always cook, you know, but I'm going to get ready to let y'all go. But I'll let y'all see this sweet potato pie. And y'all can go out and purchase too. But it is really, really good. It's really good. See that? It's the next best thing. Now, I had tried Patti LaBelle's sweet potato pie. To me, I'm not talking about you or nobody else. I'm talking about me. To me, it wasn't for me. Just put it like that. Because I don't like saying anything down about anybody. It just wasn't for me. This is some really good sweet potato pie. Like, I would make it. Not too sweet or anything. It's just really good. But I'm finna let y'all go. It's 33 minutes and 4 minutes almost. Y'all, this video be flying. I tell you, the time just be flying. Not the video, but the time. So, y'all, I'm going to let y'all go. And I really do appreciate each and every one of you. And so, don't forget to go out to Walmart and try Joyebells sweet potato pie. Yes. So, until the next time, may God bless each and every one of you. And that's right, and that's right, and that's right. And y'all already know what I'm going to say. Don't y'all forget to come on back and explore together with the Queen Bee.